Hello, and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Ms. Granados, and today we are going to learn about translations, which is one of three transformations in geometry. You may want to take some notes, so gather something to write with and paper, or a notebook. Transformations. What does the word transform mean? To transform is to change the appearance of something. In math, a transformation of a figure, which is also called a preimage, changes the size, shape, or position of the figure to a new figure, which we call the image. What do you notice? What do you wonder? I noticed that the images were moved, yet they stayed congruent, which means they were the same size and the same shape as the original image. They haven't turned or flipped. They simply slid across a line. When images are transformed in this way, we call this transformation a translation. In a translation, you slide a figure from one position to another without turning it and without changing the size or the shape. A translation is a transformation in which an image is formed by moving every point on the pre-image, or the first image that you have, the same distance in the same direction. Notice the coordinates of the dark blue pentagon in the table as the pre-image. Now notice the new coordinates in the light blue pentagon. Each point was moved 5 spaces down, and then 3 spaces to the left. If you can, count the number of spaces point E is moved to point E with the apostrophe. Let's perform a translation. Sometimes you'll be told, with an ordered pair, the direction to translate. Other times you'll be told how to move the points. When I look at my ordered pair, I see a positive 4 in the x-coordinate. This positive 4 tells me that I will move 4 spaces to the right. Since a negative 3 is in the y-coordinate, then I know that I need to move 3 spaces down. I took each point of the triangle and moved it 4 spaces to the right and 3 spaces down. Then I connected the 3 dots to show my translation. Now it's your turn. The pre-image is in the left column. Circle the image that shows a translation. Remember, a translation only changes the position of the image. It doesn't change the size or shape, nor does it rotate or flip the image. Did you choose the correct images? Remember, a translation does not flip or rotate. It simply slides across. So let's reflect. One type of transformation in geometry is called a translation. Translations are when you slide an image. Each point needs to be moved in the same direction, left or right, and up or down. Think about something you're wondering and something you learned today. Write it down. Hold on to it so when you return to school you can share it. In today's episode of Math Matters, we learned about translations. I'm Miss Granados. I hope you have a great day and keep on counting.